Shanta, and this is, what is your name?
Ooh.
He doesn't have a name.
Oh.
His name is Kobe, and we're going to do a review on Natural Box. Okay. First, we are going to try sea salt pops. Sea salt popcorn kernels. Don't you think we should try this? We're going to try these, and we're going to let you know how good this is DJ that just came in.
To the camera.
He just came up and said, I want some. He don't even know what they are. You see what I'm talking about?
Come on. Give me some.
We're doing a review, and you better say if you like them or not.
Okay.
Hey.
We can't edit this because this is the real deal. This is Sister Mills.
Very good.
Oh, we can hear you.
Oh my God.
Very good.
They're so good. They're bursting with flavor.
Oh, I like them. Miss
Healthy.
Deborah, would you like to try these?
Tastes very
We're
healthy.
doing a review, and you have to do a review.
They're actually pretty good.
We'll just hear your voice. Tell us if you like them or
Sounds,
not.
it feels healthy to my throat. It feels so good going down my esophagus.
Your hands on the.
Okay. Do you like them? Miss Deborah likes them. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 out of
My belly
1.
feeling
It tastes
now.
like popcorn.
So now we will be trying the sweet blueberry almonds.
Sweet blueberry almonds.
See,
I love
everyone,
almonds.
everyone, we're having a tasting party
I love
here.
any kind of nut. Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't.
If they use this on a commercial.
Now that is good. I can taste the blueberry.
Okay, how do y'all like this?
Blueberry powder is on.
I can taste the blueberry.
It's good.
I would buy that. I would buy that.
Okay, so we have
A crunchy
7 for 7. So yes, we like these sweet blueberry almonds. Thank you.
Can I have more?
So now we will be trying the cranberry melony. Pomegranate.
I love cranberry.
Let's see if we like these. We have to clear our throat to get the other taste. Oh,
Civil right.
do you like pomegranate?
I started getting food tasting it.
Oh, look at these people.
Gee.
Oh, they smell so good.
I love cranberry.
Get to.
And
And
get
what's?
one?
Oh, yes. Y'all like them?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Very
Okay.
tasty.
This is good for you. These are very healthy, by the way.
That's a great snack. I like that one.
You like that snack? That's a great snack. Jalapeno cashews.
I love nuts. I don't know about jalapenos.
Let's see if we like these. So far, so good.
Open door for Priscilla.
She's already in.
These are kind of big, so we got to open up the whole packet. That looks like these are bigger. These are jalapeno cashews. Tell me what y'all think.
It's good.
No, it's spicy. It only has a little kick. It's not real hot. It has a little kick.
Good.
You like it?
Just a little spicy. I like it.
Almonds, jalapeno.
Oh yeah, I like that. Masa crisp
What's in there?
with flex seeds. Oh yeah, this is good for you.
Boy, yeah.
It's good for your body.
Your body.
It's good for your system.
Only buy something.
Let's see this. And I just want to let you all people know that for the trial, you only pay for shipping. It's $2, and you get all these good snacks.
$2.
For shipping, you just pay your shipping. Get your boy one of them.
Hurry. Like a good cracker. What is that
And this
Yeah,
looks
real.
like, you can see that? That's what it looks like.
Tastes real good.
So,
It's a fish.
you get all of this for the price of $2.
And then they send you something else.
And if you want to join the group, they will send you whatever you like, and there's a lot more options on there. This will be the regular bag. So if you join for $20 a month, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big bags of this size. So, yes, they're very, very good. See, they're trying to steal them, so even the children like it. So thank you for your time. Bye-bye.